When you are looking for image or video generation AI models, you've definitely run into the terms base and turbo. But what do these terms actually mean in practice? When should you use which? And what can you do if a model doesn't have an official turbo version? The base model is the primary, raw model that the developers spent massive resources training. These models hold the core knowledge of the AI. While they are excellent for direct generation, also known as inference, they have an even more critical role. They are the only models you can actually train or fine-tune. If you want to train a custom style, a specific face, or a new concept, like making your own Lora models, you must always train them on the base model. The great thing is, Loras trained on the base model are highly versatile and will work with the turbo versions later on as well. The downside of base models is that they are slow. Getting a perfect result often takes 30, 50, or even more generation steps. On the other hand, turbo versions, which are often referred to in the industry as distilled models, are optimized purely for speed. During this distillation process, the base model's knowledge is essentially filtered down, allowing the turbo models to deliver almost the same quality in just 4, 8, or 10 steps. However, their drawback is that they cannot be used for direct training or fine-tuning anymore. But what if a brilliant base model, like Quinn Image 2512, simply doesn't have an official pre-distilled turbo version? Don't worry, the open source community has come up with a brilliant solution called a Turbo Lora. If you load this small add-on into Comfy UI alongside your favorite base model, it immediately speeds up the generation process. This way, you can instantly turn a slow base model into a lightning-fast turbo machine, while still being able to use your custom-trained Loras on it without a hitch. So, the rule is simple. If you want the absolute best quality, or if you want to train your own custom models, the base model is the only way to go. But if your goal is fast generation, choose the distilled turbo version, or boost your base model with a Turbo Lora. If you liked this explanation, follow the channel for more useful AI info and tips.